Tampa has experienced a deluge this week, with nearly 5 inches of rain on Tuesday and close to 4 inches on Wednesday, resulting in severe flooding and turning roads into rivers.
Hey, Chuck! Water is almost up to my knees. Here's my mom's car. It's practically underwater. My car is pretty close. Chris's car.
City officials acknowledged that the stormwater systems were overwhelmed by the sheer volume of water.
I don't even know where the corner is. And there's lightning. This is probably absolutely the worst I've ever seen my street. I am almost to the corner. I'm gonna stop, but from here on out, you can just see it's just flooded. Just everywhere. Fifth Avenue, way down, is flooded. People are pulled over as far as I can see. Thank God I'm junking my mom's car.
South Tampa resident Jamal Burton described the chaos, saying, "I've seen cars literally underwater. With my small compact car, there's no way I can drive through this flooding. It's a total mess."
The red one? The red one? Okay.
Footage sent in by Rebecca Ranney showed major street flooding in the Hyde Park area, where cars were attempting to navigate through deep water.
Y'all be having affairs with...
You was like, what? You was like, oh, this is crazy. Mom, we gotta move back to Georgia, because I can't do this.
Moving back to Snakeville.
Oh my God. That's crazy. Oh, look at him. He just don't care. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why would he do that?
Ass.
He just riding too. He did it on.
Some areas of the city saw over 3 inches of rain within an hour, which inundated the stormwater systems beyond their capacity. Vic Bide, Tampa's director of mobility, explained that the city's infrastructure is not designed to handle such torrential downpours.
Gabby says the fight for justice continues.
I mean, I'm happy that they've come to this point. But over. I mean, we still got to go through a trial. But at least he's behind bars.
The Florida Court Investigations Unit Attorney General Ashley Moody announced back.
My son!
Bide also discussed the development of a citywide watershed management plan that takes into account rising sea levels. "We are modeling every basin in the city to identify future infrastructure needs," he explained. Development, particularly where and how we build, is crucial as Tampa continues to grow.
Wow, look at that truck.
He will get flooded out. He is flooded out now.
What the holy hell?
Councilman Alan Clendenin of District 1 echoed concerns about overdevelopment, pointing out that squeezing too much construction into small areas has worsened the problem. We have divided lots and built too much on too little space. Now, nature is kicking back, and what happened yesterday is proof. Bida added that while it's impossible to build enough infrastructure to handle such rapid flooding, smarter development and long-term planning are necessary. He emphasized the need for an all-encompassing approach that includes not only new systems, but also the upkeep of existing stormwater systems and transportation infrastructure. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.